Bitcoin Cash has a medium-term resistance at 119.28, which is really important in a big way. BCH US dollar exchanges closed at 285.76 in a quiet way. BCH US dollar pair trading is above EMA 20, which is really important in a big way. The current trading volume of Bitcoin Cash as a whole is 631,328,920, which goes against what most people think. July 20th, 2023. In this video, we'll take you through an analysis of the Bitcoin Cash price for now, or at least for the next week. And we'll try to answer some of the most frequently asked and important questions. What is actually a short-term price prediction for Bitcoin as a whole is a very smart guess that is important in every way that really counts. Bitcoin Cash support and resistance levels, etc. were talked about in an unpretentious way. However, before getting too deep into the BCH technical analysis, we talked about the kind of current economic situations in an unobtrusive way, in a mostly large way. From a look at the market over the last 24 hours, there has been an overall loss of 1.84, which brings the total amount of cryptocurrencies to almost all of them. Bitcoin has 49.89% of the entry market, while Ethereum only has 16.33%. This has caused Bitcoin's price to drop to $30,584.92 after a 0.29% drop. While the price of Ethereum has dropped 0.24% to $1,882.48 in the last 24 hours. XRPD, which is the local coin of XRP, went up by 1 cent and is now worth 47 cents. Basically, at the time I posted this blog, BNB was trading at $246.58 after a 0.42 change in value. In the same time, they thought Coco's BCX had reached 60 cents after a 0.77 drop in value, which is clearly very important. Overall, these things point to the fact that the market is probably going down for the time being. In the past 24 hours, the value of digital currencies like Ethereum has dropped by 0.24. From 1882.48 to 1882.48. This was done in a quiet way, but right now, the whole crypto market is falling by 1.84%, bringing the total value of all digital currencies to $1 trillion. Showing how still before jumping very deep into the BCH technical research. Let's talk about the current economy, which is very important. Bitcoin Cash support and resistance are important technical indicators used to find key price levels where the trend could change. This is usually very important. Support is a level where buyers become more active and keep the price of the coin from falling further. Opposition is a level where sellers become more active and keep the price of the coin from going up. For example, the price of XRP, the local currency, is usually up by 0.1 and at P. Specifically, BNB traded at $246.58 at the time this blog was posted, which is a change of 42 cents in the same amount of time. This is very important to know because it shows where the support and resistance levels of Bitcoin Cash are. BCH Bitcoin Cash performance. The present Bitcoin Cash price is $285.76, with a trading volume of $631,328,920, and the past 24 hours have shown how XRP, a fairly local coin, is most likely to be used. Basically, they thought that the Bitcoin Cash value analysis BCH price analysis for July 20th, 2023, in a by and large day-to-day period made sense below, and in every way that matters very important way we use relative strength index RSI moving sort of normal assembly and difference. Moving to a completely normal EMA to look at Bitcoin Cash's future, instead of the usual way of doing things. While BCH's Williams %R pointer is pretty much at 60.321 for the last 14 days, showing a neutral situation. At this point on the relative power list, a change in the sign is a possibility. The RSI shows that the BCH coin has been sold too low, since it is at 25. Take a closer look at how the BCH US dollar or pair exchange. As the BTC price gets ready for a bull market in 2023, traders say, get ready. Bitcoin. Traders who are watching two key trend lines say that the market is getting ready for its next bull run in a classic way. Mustache and Titan of Crypto, two well-known traders, recently looked at social media and found that the BTC price was about to break out. The bull market line for Bitcoin looks for a classic crossover. Titan of Crypto says that Bitcoin's price cycles are very similar to those of the past, and that the time is almost right for a bullish rise. By uploading past price data, he drew attention to the 21-week simple moving average, SMA, which is currently at $27,900, according to Cointelegraph Markets Pro and TradingView. Once this upward-sloping trend line goes above the spot price range, a long period of rising prices follows. This is why the 21-week simple moving average is called the bull market line. Titan of Crypto said that what was happening was a bull market kickoff. Once the weekly 21 MA crosses over the BTC market structure, it will kick off the bull market, he said. 4 years ago, in early 2019, Bitcoin had its last MA cross. This happened at the same point in the previous cycle as the price moved today. This caused the area high for that year to be close to $14,000. The COVID-19 cross-market crash in March 2020 briefly broke the cross. Titan of Crypto calls this event a black swan. Imagine being bearish about Bitcoin above $28,600, said a trader. Another trend line to watch is the 20-month SMA, which looks at longer time frames. Mustache points out that this has happened before every Bitcoin bull market. When a monthly candle closes above the 20-month SMA, every candle that follows closes above it until the cycle high. Here, too, March 2020 is a short-term exception to the rule. Imagine being bearish while $BTC stays above the 20-day simple moving average, Mustache said. Once Bitcoin has closed above it, it has never fallen below it again until the cycle top. This is how it was from 2016 to 2018 and from 2019 to 2021. According to Cointelegraph, the 200-week simple moving average, SMA, and other daily and weekly trend lines have been acting as a line in the sand during Bitcoin's recent bear market. This article does not give any tips or suggestions about investments. Every investment and trading move has a risk, and readers should do their own study before making a choice.